140,000 vehicles, one brutal truth. Consumer Reports just dropped their 2025 reliability study, and the results are devastating for used car buyers. If you're shopping for a 5 to 10-year-old vehicle, there are 13 brands you need to avoid like the plague. We are talking about cars from 2016 to 2021 that are falling apart at alarming rates. Number 1 on this list, its reliability score is half of what Toyota and Lexus achieved. Let's start the countdown. Starting at number 13, we have Lincoln with the score of 46 out of 100. Ford's luxury brand is struggling to live up to its premium badge. The Lincoln MKC and MKZ from these years have been plagued with transmission issues and electrical problems. Owners report rear view cameras displaying distorted images, battery monitor sensor that can overheat causing fires, and door latches failing to secure properly. The 2016 and 2017 MKX had a recall for battery cable issues that could cause fires. When you are paying luxury prices, you expect luxury reliability. Lincoln isn't delivering. Tied at 46, Mini proves small cars can have big problems. The Cooper and Countryman are notorious for electrical gremlins, cooling system failures, and expensive transmission problems. Turbocharged engines suffer from oil leaks and cooling issues. Manual transmissions need clutch replacement. High-pressure fuel pumps fail prematurely, and engine mounts fail at low mileage. Complex electronics and tight engine bays make even minor repairs expensive. British charm meets German engineering meets your mechanic's retirement fund. At number 11, we have Cadillac with the score of 45. The CUE infotainment system in 2013 to 2019 models has been a nightmare. Freezing, crashing, developing spiderweb cracks, often requiring $1,500 plus replacements. Multiple class action lawsuits filed over defective touchscreens. The ATS and CTS turbocharged engines consumed excessive oil. The XT5 faced transmission shuddering, engine misfires, and electrical issues. GM's cutting-edge technology backfired. CUE was rated one of the worst infotainment system ever. Luxury shouldn't be this unreliable. Hyundai lands at number 10 with the score of 43. The Theta 2 engine powering the Sonata, Santa Fe, and Tucson has been catastrophic. Engine seizing without warning, catching fire, and requiring complete replacement. Massive recalls affecting millions of vehicles addressed engine failures and fire risks. Hyundai and Kia paid $137 million in fines for moving too slowly on recalls. The dual-clutch transmission in some models has been equally problematic with jerky shifts and premature failures. Hyundai offered extended warranties on these engines. Never a good sign. A quick reminder before we continue with the remaining brands. If you think that I'm delivering something of value, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Let's get back to the countdown. Chevrolet scores a disappointing 40. The Equinox from these years is particularly notorious. Transmission failures, excessive oil consumption, and engine problems plague these models. Consumer Reports specifically calls out the 2014 to 2018 Silverado for below average reliability across all model years. The Equinox has been hit with class action lawsuits over transmission failures, with owners reporting complete transmission death before 100,000 miles, sometimes as early as 55,000 miles. The 2.4-liter engine burns oil excessively. Repair costs are staggering. Transmissions run $2,500 to $4,700, and with previous repairs, some owners have $10,000 in a vehicle worth $15,000. Ford slides in at 39, and the problem is EcoBoost engine. The EcoBoost engines, while fuel efficient, have issues with carbon buildup on intake valves, turbocharger failures, and timing chain problems, especially the 3.5-liter in F-150s and Explorers. The Explorer faced transmission troubles, particularly the 10-speed automatic in 2017 and 2018 models. EcoBoost engines suffer from coolant leaks and intercooler condensation. The F-150 has had cam phaser failures, plastic oil pan leaks in 2017 and 2018 model, and timing chain stretch. When your best-selling truck isn't reliable, that's a big problem. Also scoring 39, Dodge continues the trend of American unreliability. The journey, Dodge's aging crossover, has been a reliability nightmare with outdated technology and frequent breakdowns. The Challenger and Charger suffer from electrical problems and transmission issues. The Durango shares component with the Jeep Grand Cherokee, inheriting many of the same reliability headaches. A particularly terrifying issue, cruise control system that won't disengage, affecting hundreds of thousands of Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, and Ram vehicles between 2014 to 2019. Kia rounds out the 39-point club, suffering from the same Theta 2 engine problem as Hyundai. The Sorento, Optima, and Sportage from these years are ticking time bombs, with engine fires and sudden failures affecting millions of vehicles. The Theta 2 engine has been so catastrophic that both Kia and Hyundai were forced to offer extended warranties and monitoring software. The dual clutch transmission in some models has been equally frustrating, with harsh shifting and premature wear. At number 5 of this list, GMC drops to 37, representing essentially the same vehicles as Chevrolet with different badges and higher prices. The Terrain shares the Equinox's problematic platform with transmission issues and excessive oil consumption. The Acadia has suffered from timing chain problems, and the Sierra trucks mirror the Silverado's reliability woes. The Acadia from these years has been particularly troublesome with timing chain failures, transmission problems, and the notorious shift to park error that prevents the vehicle from shutting off. When you are paying a premium for GMC badge over Chevy, you expect better reliability, but you are not getting it. Chrysler limps in at 36 with a limited lineup during these years. The Pacifica minivan makes up most of Chrysler's offering, and it's been problematic. The 9-speed transmission has been notoriously troublesome with rough shifting, hesitation, and sometimes complete failure. The Pacifica has faced multiple recalls for failing rear-view cameras, steering problems, and seatbelt attachment issues. The Pacifica Hybrid adds battery and hybrid system complications. Sliding door failures are common, hardly what you want in a family vehicle. When your minivan designed for family safety has this many problems, that's inexcusable. So we reached top 3 of this list, and Ram Trucks scores 35, making them some of the least reliable pickups for this era. The 1500 equipped with a 3-liter eco-diesel has been an absolute nightmare, with multiple recalls for engine stalling and fuel system failures. Over 138,000 Ram 1500s were recalled for high-pressure fuel pump failures causing stalling while driving. The 2014 to 2019 EcoDiesel faced crankshaft position sensor failures, EGR cooler problems, and fuel pump issues. One owner called it a mechanic's full employment program. When your truck spends more time in a shop than holding, that's unacceptable. Jeep barely escapes the last place with a score of 32. The Grand Cherokee, especially models with the 3-liter EcoDiesel, has been recalled repeatedly. Over 138,000 Grand Cherokee and Ram 1500s were recalled for high-pressure fuel pump failures that could cause stalling while driving. The problems here are copy-pasting. The 2014 to 2020 Grand Cherokee EcoDiesel faced multiple recalls, crankshaft position sensors failing, EGR coolers requiring replacement, and fuel system issues. The Cherokee's 9-speed transmission has spawned class action lawsuit for harsh shifting and failures. Upper control arm ball joints have separated from steering knuckles, and a catastrophic failure that causes wheels to fall outward. The Wrangler has suffered from death wobble and electrical issues. When your SUV's wheel can literally fall off, that's unacceptable. And the absolute worst, Tesla with a crushing score of just 31, less than half of Lexus and Toyota's score. This is particularly interesting because newer Teslas actually rank in the top 10 for reliability. So what happened with 2016 to 2021 models? These were the years when Tesla was ramping up Model 3 production, famously building cars in tents in parking lots in 2017 and 2018. Quality control was sacrificed for volume. The Model 3 launched in 2017 and early production models suffered from paint defects, panel gap issues, and build quality problems. The Model Y debuted in 2020 with similar teething problem. Owners from this period report drive unit failures requiring motor replacement, battery pack issues, rear view camera malfunctions, and infotainment hardware that needs complete replacement. The 2016 to 2021 Model S and Model X have been particularly problematic with drive unit milling noises, coolant leaks into motors, and suspension component failures. These are expensive repairs. Drive unit replacements can cost $3,000 to $5,000 out of warranty. When your cutting-edge technology keeps cutting out, that's not innovation, that's incomplete quality control. So there you have it. 13 brands with the worst long-term reliability according to Consumer Reports study of 140,000 vehicles. If you are shopping for a used car from 2016 to 2021, steer away from these brands and head toward the best long-term reliability brands, which we talked in the last video. I just put the link in the upper corner banner and in the description. You can check it out. And finally, the last question for you. Which of these brands on this list shocked you the most? Please drop it in the comments below. If you enjoy watching this video, please consider watch these two related videos as well. If I deliver something of value, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'm Saeed. You've just watched Carisma. Thank you very much, and I will catch you up in the next one.